Up world, it's Nick JT and welcome back to the Nick JTV show where I vlog about whatever I want. I'm vlogging this on the GoPro today because I'm about to go hiking and I don't want to use my phone for the entire time, so I'm going to waste battery. So, look at that right there. There's a rabbit. It's a darker shade of... You can't really see it on the GoPro because it's... thing, but I'll probably edit this in a way to where you can see it. Probably should have mentioned we're going to a liquor still.
Yeah, it really doesn't. We'll just go this way. And then we'll go over to the ocean. That whole thing, the whole loop.
Oh, we've only walked a mile and 45, so...
We're about halfway down.
Okay, liquor still's this way. The liquor still's that way. So I guess the earthworks is this way. Okay, so we're going to the earthworks.
And we'll check out the liquor still.
Mm-hmm.
Then we'll head on back.
Look at that. That is really cool.
Yep. This is kind of interesting.
Yeah, I think we're going to go to Fort Pulaski. I think the place is actually haunted, so...
Yeah, that's not too far from here. Oh, that is getting hot.
It is.
The trees are thinning out.
So like this would be the earthworks here?
I think.
the weird.
The kind of ditch.
Yeah. This would make, that would make sense, especially like how they put a bridge over them to see them.
Yeah, that's kind of what's left of it.
Yeah. Just keep off the earthworks. And then one day I think they'll be completely gone from erosion. So this is the still right here.
That's how they got a bridge. People were making good old.
So this is where people would hide alcohol during the Prohibition.
Well, it's where they make it.
Oh yeah. Well, it doesn't take.
That's part of the story here.
Oh.
There's not a whole lot of it left, I imagine. Most of it's rusted away.
The axe marks are from the police.
Yeah.
Photo that. Here's a place to get a good photo.
I don't know why they built a bridge here.
What?
I don't know why they built a bridge here.
This probably is a bit dried out right now, but it's probably actually marshland. Maybe it'll change.
Fresh water slough.
This is a slough.
So that's why there's a bridge, Brendan. Does that answers your question?
It probably just hasn't rained in a bit, so it's kind of dried out right now. But
Got back from the hike. I'm probably gonna take some time and edit yesterday's vlog, and then I'll have that done. And I want to have like all my vlogs done while I'm on this trip, so I don't have to edit them when I get back. But anyway, I'll get that done, and I'll talk to you guys later. So I'm switching over to the nice camera now because we're going to a place called Worlo or something, Wormlo. It's supposed to be like very beautiful, so that's why I'm bringing the nice camera, so when I get some nicer footage and all that. Yeah, normally I use this for my film projects and everything, and it doesn't get it to be used much, but I do plan to use it more as this vlog goes on. So we made it to Wormslow, and wait, so I guess we're gonna drive down this long road. We're gonna be walking shortly through what is it, to the tabby ruins of the Wormslow plantation. And yes, the place is called Wormslow. Oh, I guess they did. I don't know if we're allowed up there.
You want to take a crappy selfie out here?
I guess we could do that. Mom will be happy.
You're in charge of the camera.
Is it popping? Are you making all those sounds, Alex?
Yeah. Yeah, just...
Yeah, that's
just-
probably what it is.
And it's like, there's no way I'm the responsible one. I'm not the one with crappy feet. Although, to be honest, if it was any of us, we'd probably end up in the R2 or urgent care.
Yeah.
Well, let me tell you something.
And we wouldn't be the one.
Stuff probably hurt like the dickens.
Yeah.
And it probably,
God, there's something in my eye.
and there's no arguing it with us. The house floor plan. So this is what's left of the house.
Looks like the fortified.
Is there anything in my eyes?
Oh, there's a lizard.
I don't see anything.
Okay.
Hold on, let me see.
Oh, turn it.
I don't think this works.
What's it supposed to do?
You're supposed to hold. You're supposed to.
Oh.
Is it,
No. I don't know if
I
that's
think-
so far.
if you hold the button and do the thing. Maybe I'm doing it the wrong way.
Woo!
Okay, you know what? It's probably. I believe. Hold on. Actually, it's a mark. It's in here. This is.
Maybe it's Noble Jones's grave.
Dr. Jones.
Okay. The gravesite. A stone monument and an iron fence mark the original family burial of the site at Wormslow. Jones was buried here in 1775 next to his wife Sarah, and later their youngest son, Ingo.
Why is there only one grave?
Jones's remains were moved from this site to Colonial Cemetery in downtown Savannah. Later, Jones's great-grandson, G.W.J. de Renee, had his ancestors moved again to Bonaventure Cemetery near Thunderbolt, Georgia. In 1875, de Renee placed a stone monument at the Wormslow grave site. So I guess this is the stone monument.
When?
1875. So
Wonder
100
why-
years after that.
Why would they move graves?
Just caught the last.
But yeah.
Every bit of the $2.
Well, it's your money, so.
Yeah, Brennan's still trying to play his flute.
Alright, well, these people are gonna leave right out of the way.
Taking a photo of
I'm
Stan.
surprised they just waited. I was trying to get out of their way, but I'm sure I didn't.
So, we're about to, Brennan just set up a fire. We are gonna have s'mores in a few minutes. Well, I'm gonna start cooking mine. But I'm allergic to chocolate and soy, we are going to use snickerdoodles that we found. Hashtag not sponsored by Enjoy Life. And chocolate that I can have. So that's going to be a lot of fun, and I guess I'm going to make myself a s'more with these.
God damn it. I'm just going to freaking peppers I eat. God, I hate pork cheese.
Wait, there was paper on that cheese?
Yes.
Yeah, they put paper in between them to keep the pieces from
Yeah, well, I just probably ate half a piece of wax paper, so.